Alright, so if you want to change the DNS of your internet on Windows, what you want to do is to either click on the Windows button like this, or press the key and start typing Control Panel. Here you should see you should recognize the icon anyways because it's this one. And from here, what you want to do is now I have listed everything, every setting here, but eventually you should also be able to see just a group of them. And in the case, you should see something like network and internet. You want to click on that, and after that you should be able to see this this voice here, network and sharing center. So you want to click on it. Now here in my case I do have an internet connection, as you can see, but if you are using a Wi-Fi, the process is just the same, because here in connections you should be able to see either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. You want to click on the writing, and after this you want to click on properties, and then go in click on TCP IPv4 Internet Protocol version, and once it is underlined in blue like this, you want to click on properties. Now here is where you want to change the DNS, and before doing anything I will suggest you to open your browser. In my case I do have Brave, and look for a DNS server. Personally I am using 1111 or just Orquod 9, which is 9999, like this. That's right, Quad 9, which is here. These are the two that I usually use. I personally prefer 1111, but you know, it's up to you. You can do your searches and then decide other ways. So here is what you want to do. In this case I do not have that, but you should be able to see these two options here. One is obtain DNS server address automatically. No, you want to do it manually. And the first voice is prefer DNS server. You want to input the DNS that you want to use most of the time, and write down the IPv4 of the DNS. Now 1111 is really easy to remember, and because it's just for ones, but for instance there is also a Google DNS server, which is 8888 if I remember well. Yeah, it's here. And anyways, you can, if you want to look for other DNSs, you might want to write down something like some DNS servers, and you should be presented with some of them like this. And here there is also the IPv6, which we will see in a moment, and here is the IPv4 of each public DNS server. In the alternate DNS server, you want to write down another DNS server you want to use in case you cannot connect to the first one. As I've said, I use 9999 as a backup, and then click OK, and you're all set up. You are already using your new DNS server. Now, as I have already told you, this is there are also some IPv6 addresses. In that case, you want to repeat the process, but this time you want to click on Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6, as you can see right here, and click on properties, just like earlier, and then do the same steps of before. That is, click on use the following DNS server addresses, prefer DNS server. I mean, you can, I have typed them manually earlier, but you can just copy paste, and that is just the same. I want to use OpenDNS, then I Ctrl+C or just copy and paste in the alternate DNS server voice, and click OK. You're done. This is it. So it's really easy, nothing really particular to do. I hope that this video was useful for you, so eventually leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for your time.